students, how are you? How are you, class 5 students? Today I am going to discuss class 5 literature. Okay, new Radiant Reader. Okay, I am going to discuss. Already I have finished chapter 1 to 7. In spite of I will start chapter 1 because you know very well chapter 1 to 4. This is chapter 1 to 4. I think you are unable to see it. I am going to enlarge it. Okay, I am going to enlarge it. Okay, you will prepare for the examinations, first terminal examination. Chapter 1, the boy and the apple tree 1. Chapter 2, boy and the apple tree 2. Chapter 3, three men of Gotham. Chapter 4, the violet. 1 to 4, it is coming in your first assessment test, first term examinations. Okay, now I am going to start the boy and the apple tree. This is your revision class. I am going to start it. Please see the chapter, the boy and the apple tree. The boy and the apple tree. You are seeing it. Boy and the apple tree. I think you are seeing it. You can see it. Clear? The boy and the apple tree. This man's real story. Okay, you know very well man's real story. This is the story of man's real story. Once upon a time there was a boy whose name was Balu, and who had a friend. The friend name was Tree. Tree was his friend. Okay. So now I am going to start. This is the story of little boy named Balu. Balu is the little boy. Okay, he is Balu, and who was very fond of an apple and spent hours playing near the tree and sitting on its branches. Balu was very small boy, and who was playing with the branches of the tree of apple. Okay, it was his regular habit. Okay, he was playing with the branches of the tree. The tree also had taken a great liking for the boy and allowed him to do what he liked. Tree also liked to the Balu, and Balu also liked to tree. They were friends. He would make a crown out of his leaves, and covering his head with it would have proudly declared, I am the king of the forest. This made the tree extremely happy. Tree was very proud and Balu was very proud. Okay, and they were talking with each other and playing with each other. Okay, as time passed by, Balu grew up to a handsome young man. Okay, time passed. Now time doesn't fix. Time passed. Time passed. Balu grew up be a young handsome man and gradually stopped coming to the tree. Now Balu became became young, and young people will not play with the tree. Okay, the tree began to miss him very much. One day when the tree saw Balu passing by, it cried sadly, Balu, Balu, why don't you come here to play with me as before? Don't you know that I am very lonely? I am lonely without you. Tree told that, Balu, Balu, why are you not coming and playing with me? I am very sad without you. You will come and play with me? Okay, tree was telling. But according to the opinion of Balu, Balu told that no, I'm big, I cannot play with you. Okay, he was telling that. Now in next page, I am going to next page. Please see it. Well, I am not a little child now, replied Balu. I have grown up and take no pleasure in playing with the king anymore. To tell you the truth, I am unhappy and need money. Balu became Balu became young, and he needed money, so he cannot play with the tree. Okay, you need money, repeated the tree in surprise. Why to plant you money and apples? Take them all. They are all yours, and they will fetch you plenty of money. So saying, it started dancing so vigorously that the apple on the tree began to fall. Okay. Now tree wanted to solve the problem of Balu. So, he decided to give all apple to Balu. Balu would sell the all trees in the market, and he will earn money from the market. Okay, because they were real friend with they were real friend. Okay, tree was fully devoted for the Balu, but Balu was I think not devoted. Balu started rapidly collecting the apples that had dropped, and even grabbed at some that remained hanging on the branches. When he thought he had plucked a fairly large quantity, he ran away with his collection, leaving his friend the tree lonely as before. Balu collected all apple. Okay, Balu collected all apple, and he plucked it, and all apple he collected, and he sold in the market. After a lapse of time, the apple tree was overjoyed to see Balu climbing up. Hello Balu, there was where have you been? You look very sad. After some days, what is the matter now? After some days, when Balu was passing from that tree in front of after many days, when Balu was passing from the tree, Balu was passing nearby the tree, then tree asked the question from Balu, Balu, why were you sad on today? Can you tell me what's the problem? Then Balu replied that, Balu sucked a little and then said, you see, my friend, I am unhappy because I have grown up and I need a house. Okay, you know very well, students of class 5, at first he was playing with the tree, and after that he requires money, so he collected apples. Now he needed a house. Okay, after become young, Balu suckled at little, and then he said, you see, my friends, I am unhappy because I have grown up and I need a house. Okay, Balu need house. Okay, that's why he was very happy, and he did not have any money. Okay, is that all? Is that all? The faithful tree replied, you need wood for that, don't you? I can help you. Take all my branches and use the wood to build a house for yourself. A tree was fully devoted for Balu. Okay, tree sacrificed for Balu, and he told that, I will give you all branches of the tree. Collect all branches of the tree, collect all parts of my body and sell it. Sorry, collect all branches of the tree and build for yourself a beautiful house. Okay, I can sacrifice for you. And so Balu cut off all branches of all the tree and built his house and live in it for quite some time. Okay, Balu cut off all branches of the tree, and he made himself for a beautiful house. Okay, and lived in it. But lived in it. This is the part 1. Okay, and the next video I will discuss part 2. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel.